Okay, so I saw this YouTube video of this guy who makes like a wood burning pizza oven out of patio stones and bricks. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna try it myself. So I don't want this to be on the ground. So I bought a couple cinder blocks, lifted off the ground a little bit, and have the fire on top of this. Let's see if I have some wood around here I can use. Oh, here we go. All right, I'm just gonna do a little test run fire here and see what temperature I can get this up to. Here's a little redneck trick to get this thing going quick and hot. I took it all back apart because I was just gonna restack it differently. And I noticed that this paver didn't like the fire so much. I got a crack right across it. So I just put a couple extra cinder blocks under there to help support it, and I'm gonna see what else I can do to prevent it from getting worse. Okay, so I've just restacked everything here. I actually had some of this, this is like a concrete board. It's called Hardybacker. I put a piece underneath to help support this cracked stone, and then I have one on top. I've been reading some comments. People are saying that these standard bricks can explode if they are heated up too quickly or heated and cooled often. So like I said, I've added this concrete board to the sides as well. And I had some old bricks out of an old wood burning stove kicking around, so I've just put them down the sides. So I'm thinking the heat will just slow down getting to the, take longer for the heat to get to the bricks this way. At least the ones on the sides. Up here, I don't know what's gonna happen. Right now, I'm just running a test to see how well this concrete board holds up. Since they said it is non-combustible, everything seems to be looking good. So I'm gonna pop inside and pull out some dough I bought at the grocery store and start making dinner. I'm no fancy pizza guy. I got some dough and I've got some leftover chicken. All right. Looking good. It's getting there slowly. It's actually not that dark out yet. It's just, once you start looking into this top level of this oven, it's very dark. That's why I have the light on it. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Oh, wow.
Working alongside Mr. Sean Miller on the film.
I don't know. It's looking pretty good. My thoughts on this thing. Overall, it actually works. I've cooked 2 pizzas in here now. It's just going to take a little bit of finessing to get it down right. I think the other problem is I use 2-foot pavers, maybe too big. So when it gets hot, they're cracking. Like this one hasn't cracked. The one I'm cooking on hasn't cracked, but the one with the fire on did crack. I don't know why. This helped, definitely helped on the sides. These bricks, they didn't even get hot enough that I couldn't touch them. The top actually doesn't end up getting super hot either. This does get right in here. It gets really nice and hot. I want to get a longer stone to go across here just to trap more heat inside so that the top of the pizza will cook better. And I think you really got to get this fire going super hot if you want it to be hot enough in the top chamber to cook the top of your pizza as well. But overall, it does work. The only thing I found that was a problem with this pizza oven was you're gonna have friends stopping by all the time now.